You're not going to believe this shocking conclusion. We're here on the only dating show where you pick your blinds. Will she choose the traditional way of buying blinds or the far superior SelectBlinds?
I choose SelectBlinds. It's the easiest, most convenient way to buy custom blinds online. You can have selects in your bedroom, selects in your living room.
Selects in your bathroom.
They have a huge selection.
Ooh, big pick energy.
You just nail down your favorite blinds, measure the length and width of your windows, and customize your order however you desire. The best part, you can do it yourself. And it's so easy, from start to finish. Click the link to get your free samples and see how SelectBlinds can really spice up your home. I was a little nervous because it was my first time buying blinds online, but SelectBlinds was magical. I'll never go back.
Where did it go wrong with the other guy?
He couldn't get it up.
I swear this never happens.
Oof, been there.
I don't mean to throw shades, but buying blinds the old-fashioned way wasn't doing it for me. I like these.
No, you like these.
Well, it sounds like you made the right choice.
What?
Get a room, you two, and close those blinds.
There's a reason SelectBlinds has been the best reviewed, highest rated blinds retailer in America for decades. SelectBlinds just gets me, and they do everything possible to leave you satisfied. From the dimensions, colors, automated or manual, and more. And if you need help, just call one of their free design consultants.
That's right. Phone selects anytime. Plus, free shipping and a price match guarantee.
My SelectBlinds came at just the right time and fit in just right.
They even have a toolless option.
I'm so done with tools.
Hey!
Nothing is more important in a relationship with an online blinds retailer than trust. SelectBlinds has over 500,000 five-star reviews. Their BBB rating is an A+, and I have never met a set of blinds with such a long warranty.
Well, it sounds like you got just what you were looking for.
Yes, Chuck, I found the one perfect way to buy blinds. And so if you want to fall in love with your blinds and keep your private life private, go to selectblinds.com today. SelectBlinds, you'll love us because we're easy.